Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add moving text in CapCut. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the CapCut app on the phone screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, we need a media file to apply moving text. So tap on New Project to allow access to your media library. Select a file that you want to use and then tap on Add from the bottom right side to import it onto the track. Now, the video is successfully imported onto the track. To apply moving text, firstly tap on Text from the bottom menu bar and then choose the first option, which is Add Text. Here, enter the text that you want to make move. If you want to change the text font, you can explore the font library and select any font that you like. You can change text style from this section and apply effects to make it more appealing for the viewers. Once you are done, tap on the tick mark to confirm it. To adjust the text on the video, resize by stretching from the corners and change its position by dragging. Now let's make the text move. Select the text box on the track, then swipe left on the bottom menu to find the tracking option. Once you find, tap to open it. Place the yellow circle over the text, then tap Start Tracking. It will take a moment to apply the movement. There you have it. That's how you can make text move in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.